Hi, my name is Brand Bolton, and I have a 95 Jeep Wrangler. I came in to get my transmission replaced. The clutch was bad, and the slave cylinder, I guess, was pretty rusty. So I called them. We negotiated a time to drop it off. Dropped it off. They did a free quote or estimate. They looked at the vehicle. They send you a text when they start working on your vehicle and when they're done, and then also when they start up again, so you know that it's just not sitting there, like somebody's actually doing something with it. Another cool thing is my Jeep, it leaks, and he brought it in during the night, and actually it's just so happened that night it was raining really bad. So it was really nice to know that there wasn't going to be a swamp in my Jeep when I came back to get it, Yeah, I wouldn't, want to just leave it somewhere and have to worry about it. Over here, I have no worries. I feel that the people at the shop, it's a good area, and they also put it in their bays at night, so it's all locked up and everything, too, if you request that, I guess. They definitely take care of the vehicle. So thank you, Dustin, and your team. You guys did a phenomenal job, and I'm very thankful. You also did more than I expected you to do. I think you fixed the leaks with the power steering. I'm not sure, but you did the rear diff, which was really nice.